I'm gonna make scones again, but I'm going to do apple cinnamon. Let's see how that turns out, but same recipe, that pear nut scone recipe, but substitution is gonna be apple and cinnamon. Okay, so I've mixed the flour, butter, baking powder, a bit of salt, brown sugar, 1 egg, the cream, and two teaspoons of cinnamon, and I think one and a half cups of chopped apple. So it's all mixed in there. So now I'm going to put it on the baking tray and see what happens. So the scones are done, or at least 60 minutes have passed. I've taken them out of the oven. They look nice. I flipped one over and it's nice and brown at the bottom, so I believe they're done. They look toasty. So now it's just a matter of waiting for them to cool and then trying one.